picture of him over here.
The next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant, Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff we have Tim Particles and Star Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature. Because it's awesome. Buddy, you could stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the Webslinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm a little bit, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be great.
Problem with that,
So
Peter.
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call him Mr. Stark! Don't call him Mr. Stark. Sorry, shout. Could you just call someone else and ask them to do it?
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Here. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man myself because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers campus. What should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as I don't get into alien fluid? This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential nature. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call you interest?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Jared, from the Slinger vehicle.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the swimming vehicle.
Calibrating. You there, Spider-Man?
I'm here. Where are you?
On our way. Okay, please sit back and enjoy your ride until we reach the impending disaster.
Wait, I still an exponential. Sounds right.
I thought you'd agree.
Little help here. Guys, I'm glad to see you guys. Reeboks, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
They worked! You guys were amazing!
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really thought through it.
Well, couldn't have done it without them.
That's also your idea.
Oh, you see everybody. You're blue, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Jen's blue.
I'm red.